Sewer inspection for 219 2nd Avenue, Seattle. We kind of got this line cleared. It's flowing a little bit, but there's a pretty major issue in the sewer. I guess you could call it a collapse. It looks like the bottom of this, which appears to be SDR 35 PVC, as we pull back, you see that the bottom is kind of pressed up against the top of the pipe right there, and it's obstructing the majority of the flow of the sewer. So we got a lot of it to drain down. You see, once we get behind that obstruction, the pipe is holding debris, and it's located about 4 feet deep in the sidewalk.